Hello. Right, so I've had a guy on YouTube message me and say that he's dismantled his watch and can he send it to me and I'll put it together because he's had numerous attempts and he can't get it working. So I said sure, and this is how he sent it. This is the first time I'm opening it. I just thought I was going to do it, but then I thought I'd just do a video of me putting it together. Cool, it is in bits, isn't it? So it's an F91, but it's literally, oh my goodness me. Everything's, I don't know how he's got it to this condition, but everything is come apart. Do you know what? I don't even think this is a genuine model. Okay, look, let's attempt to put it together and let's see if we can get it working for him. I thought I'd just do a quick video and I'll show you the process. Yeah. Right, okay, so look, we've got some screwdrivers here. We got this as well. We've got the straps. So let's put the straps to one side. I presume these are the pins to one side. And got the battery. I've never even heard of that name. And that's the back, the seal, that's the, right. So look, the LCD's in here. So let me put some gloves on. I don't want to get any little prints on there. So let's put this on. Hopefully it's a genuine model, but going by what I've just seen, because the screws on these, oh my god. Just put some gloves on. The screws on these don't look like genuine models. But look, let's put it together and have a look. Right, so look, let's got this here. I always like to give these a polish. So I've got this little cloth here. Right, so for this to work, which will connect, I'll run through it for you. So let's get the right screwdriver. So you see this here, this is what connects to the LCD. So I'll put it together and let's have a little look. I don't know why it's got it all dismantled like this. I presume that goes in here. That goes in here, and this will go in here. But which way does it go? This way. So that fits on there. It's got location pins on this. There's a location pin here. Let me zoom in for you and have a look. There's a little location pin here. There's another one. There's a location pin here. And when this goes on, you see this metal strip here? Well, that needs to connect to that. So we know which way is the correct way, which will be up. And the location pins fits in them holes. Like this. See that? One there, and the other one there. I assume that thing there, which is a bit strange, that is where the battery connects to. Hopefully the battery's working. Let's just test the battery out before we put it all together. I've got my little machine here. I'll just show you. That's the machine. Looking at that indicator there to be between 1 and 2. 2 and 3. It's good. It's working. Although I've never heard of his name, which means suspects is it real Casio. Right, so that will go here, but then there's another Let's have a little look here. Oh. See, because I didn't take it apart, it's very difficult to see which way it goes. So these, let me zoom in so you can have a little look. These here will be the buttons. Let's have a little screw here. So, which way will this go up? So there'll be a screw hole. I should imagine it'd be like this. We've got a screw there and a screw there. Turn it around like this. So we've got, I presume these screws here are for the outside. So we've got 8 screws here. So these are for the case because they're larger. And these little ones must be for the circuitry board to hold pieces screwed down. But we've also got this bit here. Now I wonder where this goes. Because the battery is held in position. Right, so I presume, I'm only guessing here. Oh, let me get the camera straight. So let's put this screw in here. So we can do trial by error. Let's see if it works. Oh dear. Dee 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 dee. And I need a Phillips. I think it's this one. Oh my god! Every screwdriver I've checked. So let's screw this down. Oh my god, the first one fell. There we go. Now there's another little one here, which I should presume it goes here. Let's put this on. Hope you can see it in the camera, alright, and put a little light on. Oh my god. this must make a contact for the alarm, I presume. Let's try it. Let's try it. So we got the case. We open these out. Oh my god, sorry, can't even see it, can you? Got the case. Open these out. And then this, let's make sure it's the right way around this time. So Casio is up, and that's up. Do you know what? I don't think this is a real Casio, you know. We'll have a look in a minute. I'll tell you what I don't think it is in a minute. Right. Let's make sure the alarm's working. So that's up and that's up. It's got 1, 2. What's this button here for? There's this, goes on here. Buckle is up. Let me get one of these pins, and it goes through these holes. There we are. I don't think this is a real Casio, you know. I'll tell you why. I did a little video on this. So, with genuine Casios, there's little telltale signs. These screws are all wrong. Casio. So this is plus. I'll show you a real Casio screw. Stay there. I think I have one in here. Lurking around. I have one lurking around. So look, this is a real Casio screw. Why does that not focus? We can see it now. You see the Casio there? The cross goes all the way through on one line. the one line here. This one doesn't. And they're sitting too proud, sitting too high. And too big. Anyway, we've got his watch working. There is no alarm on it. And you know, another way you can tell is a fake Casio is this. So when you're looking at it straight, it looks like the numbers are correct. But when you turn it to the side, you see all the digits. Let me see if I've got a real one. I think I do. Let me get one out for you. Let me get this one out. I'll have a little look. Goodness me. Goodness me, what on earth? Look at this, look. So, you see the display? When I move it like this, you can still see the numbers, can't you? This one, move them together. Wait, this is the fake one. I presume it's fake. See the numbers now compared to that side. The light's the same. And look at them screws. Oh yeah, see that? Ah, big difference. See the screws? That's the fake one, and that's the real one. Let's see if they say the same. This one actually says Japan on it. Yeah, it's all different. I mean, this is sitting higher as well. It'd be interesting to take these apart, you know, and see the parts. What I'll do is, I'll tell you what. I'll send your watch back to you because it's fixed. But I'll send you this one here, the original, and you can keep it. Okay? Thanks for watching.